22nd, February 22nd, 2013. Never seen this much water running down our road. It is coming out of lot 6, our neighbor's property. It is just a river. Never seen it like this before. Look at that, Taco. Hey, 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 hey. Wow, that's amazing. Here's the first little gully after our house. Not usually any water down here. It is a raging, well, river down there. We'll look on the other side. Here's where Rico is. All this water from the road is going down into the gully. And here, it's coming off the road, down into the gully. More stuff is coming down the hill. It's a lot of water. Here's where the gully starts. Well, not starts, but here's the top, over the top of our neighbor's property.
The one that empties out onto the road.
That empties out onto the road. Looks like a little creek. Normally it's dry.